Introducing Promptmate's Product Hunt Launch Automation Template. Your one-stop solution for a flawless product hunt launch from pre-launch to the big launch day. Click Use Template. Then, all you have to do is add website URL in the input section and then click Run. Now, your task is queued and will take just a moment. It can take up to 30 seconds or a little longer, so sit back, relax, and let Promptmate do the work. Once it's ready, click Download, and if you like, you can open it in Google Sheets. Personally, I like this option more. But if you like, you can also download the results in a CSV file. And there you have it. Everything's ready for your amazing product hunt launch. Promptmate, making product hunt launches easier than ever. For more information, visit promptmate.io. Promptmate. The only tool you need to skip to the finish line.